This is a review of the Westin Hotel in Guadalajara. We're located in the 8th floor. This is the suite room. We were upgraded from a standard deluxe room to a suite. And you will notice that it is very comfortable. This is the main area, the lobby. It's got one big couch, one cable TV, flat screen. This is the first bathroom mainly for the guests. It's got a nice sink and a nice waterfall. It also has a fridge, a small fridge. It's a very big hanging area for your suits. There's a coffee maker, water, tea, and the fridge. I still don't know how it works, but oh yeah, it's by using the key. You have to open the key and then pull the door. It's got a wonderful view of the city in two areas. This is Expo Guadalajara. You can notice that we're in the 8th floor. It's really exciting to be this height. There are a couple more hotels around here. Very big expo. This is the desk where you can work. It's got a free Wi-Fi connection as long as you booked online. It's got great lighting so that you can even make video calls at night with no lighting problems that usually arise when you make a video call at night. It's got a phone. We're getting to the room. There's another area where there's a wonderful sight. This is the main room. It's got a safe lock, a lot of area for hanging your stuff. Another big TV, a big king bed. This is the other side of the room. It's got a wonderful view of Guadalajara. Then here's the bathroom. It's also got a wonderful view of the city. The top works, it actually works. I used it last night. However, it's got some problems in the ceiling, but it worked great for us. At night, it is also spectacular what you can see from here. And even better if you turn off the lights. There's the Arco del Milenio over there. That's the Mercado de Abastos parking lot. And that's all I can identify. I know downtown is somewhere over there. To the left, in the shower area. They provide you with several lotions. They call this kind of bathroom the heavenly bath, probably because they have a lot of things to make you feel great, especially manufactured soaps, body lotion, body wash, conditioner, white tea aloe conditioner. Everything is white tea aloe. And that's it. Cool hotel. The cost is around, at least the rack rate is around $600, I guess.